All right, creators, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and future millionaires leaning into their phone screens right now. Buckle up because we're about to crack the code on the fastest, most fiercely effective way to turn TikTok scrollers into paying customers. Forget the 40-hour work weeks on ads that flop. Forget the complex algorithms that make your head spin. Today, we're talking 15-minute TikTok ads that convert like crazy. That's right, 15 minutes. From concept to cash, let's go. Think it's impossible? Think TikTok is just dancing teens and chaotic trends? Think again, my friend. This platform is a gold mine of attention, and attention is the new currency. But here's the brutal truth bomb. Most TikTok ads suck. They're boring, they're salesy, they interrupt the vibe, and they get swiped past faster than your ex's profile picture. They're basically throwing money into a digital wishing well. Sad trombone sound. Wah wah. But you're different. You're here because you're ready to play the game smarter, not harder. You're ready to harness the raw, addictive power of TikTok and bend it to your will, to make ads that don't feel like ads. They feel like the next must have thing in someone's feed. And you're going to do it in less time than it takes to microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn isn't even that good, people. Invest that time here. The 15-minute blueprint: hook, story, offer, CTA, the HSOC method. This isn't magic, it's a method, a precise, repeatable system designed for the TikTok brain. We break it down into 4 power phases, each taking roughly, you guessed it, under 4 minutes of focused creation time. Ready? Phase 1, the hook, 0 to 3 minutes. Grab them by the eyeballs, hold up 3 fingers. You have 1 second, maybe 2, that's it. Your hook isn't important, it's everything. This is where you deploy your secret weapon: relatable pain plus visual bang. The problem punch? Start with the agony your product solves. Struggling to get views? Show someone sadly staring at 3 likes. Hate shaving bumps? Zoom in on angry red skin tastefully. Does your cat ignore you? Show majestic feline turning its back dramatically. Make them go, ugh, yes, that's me right now. The unexpected visual. Pair that pain with something visually arresting or surprising. Text overlay popping aggressively. A quick, funny transition. A close up of the problem in all its glory. No fancy equipment needed. Your phone plus good lighting is your Hollywood studio. Key: make it loud, visually, not literally. Make it clear. Make it scream. Pain point solved here. Phase 2, the story, 4 to 7 minutes. Build the aha bridge. Gesture like building a bridge. Now you've got their attention. Don't blow it with a boring product demo. Tell a micro story. This is TikTok, not a TED Talk. We're talking 15 to 30 seconds max. Show, don't tell, fast. Demonstrate the transformation. Show the before. Sad, bumpy skin. Then quickly cut to the after. Smooth, glorious skin using your product. Show the boring spreadsheet before, then zoom to the dazzling, easy to read report after your software. Use quick cuts, text overlays, maybe a satisfying sound effect. That ding or whoosh is pure dopamine. Highlight the magic button. What's the one key feature that makes this transformation possible? The unique ingredient? The stupid simple interface? Focus on that. Don't list 10 features. 1. Hero. Benefit. This one click saved me hours. This secret ingredient calmed my skin instantly. Show the mechanism of the transformation quickly and visually. Clarity is king. State your offer simply and powerfully. Get the Smooth Skin Serum for just $19.99. Start your free 7-day trial of Report Genius now. Use big, bold text overlay. Say it clearly. Inject urgency and scarcity. Lightly. TikTok moves fast. Use FOMO wisely. Launch special, 50% off for first 100 buyers. Limited spots in our beta opening soon. Price jumps tomorrow. Keep it real, keep it ethical, but make acting now feel smart. Crucially, state the value clearly. What do they get? How does it make their life better? Stop wasting time, start growing. Feel confident in your own skin. Bonus: the why you. Sprinkle, 10 seconds max. Got a killer testimonial screenshot? A trust badge? A quick as seen on flash? Toss it in here subtly. Build trust fast. Phase 4, the CTA, 12 to 15 minutes. Tell them exactly what to do. Point decisively at the screen. This seems obvious, but So many ads whisper their call to action like they're asking for a secret handshake. No, be bold, be clear, be unambiguous. Button plus, voiceover combo. Use the TikTok, click the link in bio button sticker visually, and say it clearly in your voiceover. Click the link in my bio right now to grab your discount, or tap shop now on the screen. Tell them twice, visually and audibly. Reinforce the action and benefit. Click the link to start your free trial and save hours today. Tap shop now to get smooth skin before summer. Remind them why they're clicking as they click. Keep the energy up, end strong. No fading out, leave them buzzing. Boom, 15 minutes. That's the system. Hook them with pain, show the transformation story, present an irresistible offer, scream the CTA, rinse, repeat, profit. It's not about expensive gear or hours of editing. It's about clarity, speed, and speaking TikTok's language of instant gratification and raw relatability. Why this works like crazy? TikTok's algorithm loves native looking content that keeps people on the platform. Your 15-minute ad built this way, it feels like content. It hooks, it delivers value, solving a problem, it's visually engaging, and it respects the viewer's short attention span. It's not an interruption, it's an invitation to a better version of their life fast. That's why it converts. Shift to slightly more serious, deeply inspiring tone. Imagine this. While others are still debating their ad strategy, you've already launched. While others are burning cash on ads nobody watches, your 15-minute masterpiece is pulling in sales on autopilot. This is about freedom. Freedom from wasted time, freedom from wasted money, freedom to build your empire on your terms, leveraging the most powerful attention engine on the planet. This is about turning your passion, your product, your service into a machine that prints opportunity while you sleep. So, what are you waiting for? Go make your first 15-minute converter. Test it, tweak it, watch the sales roll in. I believe in you. I know you can do this. But wait, want to become an absolute master? Want the deep dives, the advanced scripts, the psychological triggers, the scaling secrets? Want to turn this 15-minute skill into a 6-figure, even 7-figure online empire? That's where the link in the description comes in. We've packed everything into our Ultimate Wealth Builders Toolkit, the most comprehensive collection of educational guides, profit-pulling ebooks, and inspirational success manuals you'll find anywhere. This isn't just theory, it's the exact roadmap used by top online earners. Learn how to find winning products and audiences instantly, write hypnotic ad scripts that sell in their sleep, scale your winning ads to the moon, build automated income streams that work 24/7, master the mindset of unstoppable online success. Click that link right now. Invest in yourself. Invest in your freedom. Order your Ultimate Wealth Builders Toolkit and start building the wildly successful online life you deserve. Loved this crash course? Found it valuable? Smash that like button. It tells TikTok this is gold and helps me reach more hustlers like you. Share this video. Tag your entrepreneur bestie, your side hustle squad, anyone who needs this 15-minute superpower. Let's build each other up. Subscribe and hit the bell. I drop game-changing strategies like this every week. Don't miss the next level. We're just getting started. Most important, click the link in the description below. Get your Ultimate Wealth Builders Toolkit now. Your future self will thank you profusely. 15 minutes. That's all it takes to change everything. Go be great. I'll see you at the top. Now go click that link. Bye.